big a blushy one sock. The froggies are not on right.
Because you're pulling them off.
No, they're not on right.
Put them on then.
It's not on anymore. Blush. Look at the hair. Yeah, blush. Little foot snip. Little bouncy, little bouncy. Little bouncy, blushy in the bounce. Little suckle. Blush. This makes no. This makes no. I meant these leaves. Why can't take away them anymore?
I can take them off for you.
Why was she crying?
She wanted them and they were gone. Because you had taken them.
Why did she want them?
You know she loves them.
I love them.
I don't know what you guys see in them.
They're really mine. I'm seeing them with blue block.
Is that bouncer mainly yours?
Yes.
Yes? Or was it bought for you? Is there anything which is mainly hers?
I don't know. I don't know if this
Is everything mainly yours?
I'm thinking.
All right.